Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start in Settings, go straight to General then Keyboard so you act now. Once there, tap Keyboards to see every active layout including emoji. You do this because removing the emoji keyboard stops the dedicated emoji panel from appearing when you tap the globe or hold the emoji key. Make sure to note any other custom keyboards you want to keep. Once you remove emoji, the globe menu and keyboard order will change immediately. Once you tap Edit, act deliberately. Either press the red minus next to emoji or swipe left and choose Delete. You do this because only deleting the keyboard entry fully removes the emoji panel. Disabling predictive suggestions alone won't hide the emoji keyboard icon. After you delete, make sure to tap Done so changes save. If you see multiple emoji entries, remove each one. Also check for third-party keyboards that may still provide emoji access and remove those if necessary. You finish by testing. Open Messages or Notes and tap the globe or emoji area to confirm the emoji keyboard is gone. If you still see emoji suggestions, disable Predictive in Keyboard Settings or restart your iPhone because cached suggestions can linger. If the emoji keyboard reappears after a sync, go to Settings right arrow Apple ID right arrow iCloud and turn off keyboard syncing on other devices, then remove emoji again. That single troubleshooting step fixes most stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.